Twitter optimization tips and tools to boost your brand. Are you looking for Twitter tools to increase your followers and engagement on Twitter? Look no more, we have listed down some tested tools and tips for Twitter optimization. Did you know that more than 300 million people use Twitter and that there are over 350,000 tweets per minute? Well, we think we got you hooked up for watching this video already. If you have a business or if you are planning to start one, with just the right content and correct Twitter optimization, you can find potential customers through Twitter. Apart from customers, Twitter is also home to famous bloggers, influencers, and journalists. They can really spice up your brand game. Now that you know the importance of Twitter optimization and a well-structured Twitter profile, let's learn about the Twitter tools that can help you. Here are tips on how you can optimize Twitter's various elements. 1. Algorithm. Algorithms are what you see when you log into Twitter. This includes what accounts you follow and your interactions. The algorithm is useful to be aware of the location, timing, hashtags, videos, polls, and GIFs. The algorithm works by looking at what kind of interaction and engagement you can pull on your profile. 2. Bio. One way you can spice up your Twitter optimization, search engine, and visits is through your Twitter bio. The tip here is to use the relevant keywords and stay within 160 characters or less. The relevancy of your hashtags is important because they could either drive traffic to your profile or distract it. For instance, using a hashtag similar to that of your competitor will drive your potential on their website. 3. Profile image. Displays and bio are the two things that a visitor sees first. Hence, they add up to your Twitter optimization. Make sure it represents your brand positively. Consider the size, color, and its screen view. 4. Header image. While choosing a header image, make sure to match it to your magazine cover and change it according to your monthly editorial calendar. Your header image must speak stories about what your brand is and what to expect next. This could include a product release, book launch, or any special event. 5. Website URL. Here you need to consider your Twitter followers and where you want to send them next. As discussed earlier, Twitter is a home to bloggers and journalists. You can use this opportunity to link your brand's blog through a free prospect download or linking a landing page. 6. Location. If you deal within a locality, you can benefit from the location part too. This would enhance your Twitter optimization. Your local, target audience would be able to access through your Twitter profile, thanks to Twitter's new algorithm update. 7. Twitter Direct Message, DM. As a brand, your core objective is to make your brand presentable and approachable. To do so, you need to use your Twitter tools for Twitter optimization. Make sure you do not have your DMs on privacy. You can simply click on the Privacy and Security tab, scroll down, click on the Direct Message option, and mark the Receive Direct Messages from anyone. 8. Photos. Add more visuals to your feed and timeline. This will help attract more visitors to your Twitter profile along with optimizing your relations. Make sure your timeline has recent GIFs, videos, photos up to date. 9. Videos. Did you know that you can record videos directly from Twitter and upload them or go live? Well, yes, Twitter is video friendly. This feature helps brands to connect with their potential audience online. If you want to upload a video, make sure it is within 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 10. Pin tweets. An essential Twitter optimization feature is a Twitter tool, pinning tweets. You can pin tweets to your featured stories, especially if your Twitter cover image is like a magazine cover. 11. Customer service. Did you know that more than 75% of customer service requests appear on Twitter? This is why Twitter tools are important for Twitter optimization. You can easily choose from customer survey messages, DMs, and profile notifications to check if the profile provides the correct username to support. Also, don't forget to add that you offer customer service in your bio. 12. Custom messages. Twitter has updated its direct messages feature with bots by the launch of a direct message card. It has engaging bots that helps to dig deeper with customers, likewise, enhancing customer relationships. 13. Hashtags. Hashtags are the new normal. Not only are they fun to use, but they are also known for increasing engagement by twice the amount. For a better Twitter optimization, use more than 2 hashtags. 14. Followers. The rule here is simple: give more to get more. If you want to attract your potential customer base on Twitter, make sure you are active on Twitter regularly. Follow relevant journalists and bloggers. Have researched about the competition. Use relevant keywords. All of these will help you gain more followers. Just maintain an engaging profile. 15. Engagement. Think of yourself as a customer. What would you be more attracted towards? A dull, dry profile or an engaging one? Well, that's your answer. Maintaining an engaging, reader-centric, and well-structured profile is very important to attract a potential market. To do so, make sure you have the Twitter optimization process completed, have readable content, and that you engage with other profiles too. Here are a few Twitter tips that can help. Retweet, links, favorites, username, profile photo, hashtags, profile expansion.